to get some traction. Is that the drum I can steal from? If I get my trans brake working right, then I can make hits on the slicks. Put over it and then we'll.
Where is it? Where is it going to go?
No shit.
On just one of them?
No, I'll probably get it somewhere in the center.
This one's, look, this one's the same size on this side, and then the other side's a slip.
Yeah, it was the same one.
It slips and stops.
It was the same one, Mike.
This junk smells like pee.
Let me keep smelling it to make sure.
Alright, what are you going to do? What do you think? Are we not going to say like what we think it's going to make today?
Guess it?
Yeah.
I did 617 on, I don't know how many pounds.
That looks like a fucking gas handle end. It's kind of nice to sit here. Goddamn, I see what my girl's gotta go through.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Well, we're real happy with
fan's working good. I hear it. What? That's what you did this morning, right? You installed a new cooling fan.
So, unfortunately, we kind of ran out of turbo. The car picked up a lot of power on pump, but of course when it came to ethanol tuning and trying to push for more power, it tapped out at pretty much around the same power level. It did make a lot more.
Last time, right? Like so.
Yeah,
whatever.
last time it made like 772. This time it did like 783, I think. So we couldn't get the peak power anymore. It did make a bunch more torque. Last time was like 580. This time was like 640. But yeah, I mean, we're just running out of turbo. The engine's being killed with back pressure. We literally went from like 24 pounds to 28 pounds and didn't pick up anything except torque. And the power just plummeted towards the end. So kind of sucks we didn't get to touch 800 at the tire. But, it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it except, bigger turbo. But that's up to Jaden. So yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, it should scoot pretty good.
Oh yeah. So. All right, cool. Yeah, I guess you're just figuring. What are you doing now? I don't even know.
I changed the cooling fan. Put one that moved a little bit more air, as we've been having a hard time keeping the car cool when it's stationary. So bigger fan, and it's already working, a lot better. There's limited room in between the radiator and the engine, so we had to run a slim fan, and slim fans just don't move a whole lot of air because they don't have a large motor on the back to turn the blades real nice and fast. So I made some adjustments to the radiator to pull it forward to give us just enough clearance to fit larger non-slim fan that moves twice the amount of CFM, and so far it's working pretty good. Still got a couple things to button up on the boost control stuff. Got to verify it on the street and dial that in. And then get the rear tires swapped out for the Hoosier QuickTime Pros, as these Mickey Thompsons have seen better days. And that pretty much sums it up. And this, wraps it up on this car.
Yeah, I think he's got some plans. He's gonna get it like detailed and then wrapped. It's got a carbon bumper, hood, and
yeah, he's got a full carbon front end. Oh, there's UPS. They can take the packages.
oh yeah, good.
Yeah, he's got a full carbon front end for it. Yeah. So
Cool.
we'll see if he mans up and does something about this turbo.